Welcome to the New Worlds Reading Initiative. Have you ever been unsure if a book is too challenging or too easy for your child? If so, this video will help you and your child find a just right book by using a simple strategy known as the 5-finger rule. A just right book is a book that is appropriate for your child's reading level and develops their reading skills without making them frustrated. Reading just right books supports your child in becoming an independent reader. Just right books are important because they build confident and fluent readers, deepen your child's understanding of the book, support vocabulary development, and limit frustration levels and increases interest in reading. Helping your child find a just right book can be tricky, but with the help of a 5-finger rule, children can learn to easily find a book that is appropriate for them. The steps of the 5-finger rule are as follows. 1. Allow your child to choose a book they are interested in reading. 2. Ask your child to read a full page in the middle of that book. 3. For every word they don't know or understand, ask them to hold up one finger. Names of specific people, places, or things don't count, so there's no need to hold up a finger for those words. And 4, when they get to the end of the page, ask them to check how many fingers they're holding up. Use the following guidelines to determine if the book is just right or not. If they're holding up 0 or 1 fingers, this book is too easy. Try another book. If they're holding up 2 to 3 fingers, this is a just right book, and it provides just enough challenge while still allowing your child to learn. If they're holding 4 fingers, this book will be difficult to read, and they will definitely need some adult support. If they're holding up 5 fingers, this book is much too difficult, and they should choose another book for now and try this book again in a few months. 2 to 3 fingers normally depict a book that is just right for the child. If they're holding up any more or less fingers, that's a clue that they may need to try that rule on another book. Watch the following video to see how a parent uses the 5-finger rule to help their child find a just right book.
How do you know that? Asked Mark. Because she wrote her address on her precious
Seminar?
daybook. Now, in a building like that, packages probably get left near the mailboxes. We beat her home. We just say there's a loose connection in the left
Condenser.
condenser. The professor gets her money back, and we get clear sailing. So if everything is so simple, why couldn't we tell Ellen? Benji
Grimaced.
grimaced. Good thing we didn't tell Ellen, Mark
Quickening.
quickening his pace. Benji followed. They sifted through the
Assortment.
until Mark came up with the sound X.
Good job. So, how many words did we have a difficulty with?
5.
5. So, my question, was that too easy, just right, or was it a bit too challenging?
It's too hard.
It was too challenging, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. But you did an awesome job.
He turned and ran. I stood in the... What's this word, Mommy?
Auditorium.
Listening to the echo of my words, feeling a tiny bit mean. When I asked Mrs. Douglas, she said he wasn't feeling well and had to go home. There was only going
Nuclear.
nuclear.
Okay. So, How many words did we have a bit of challenge with?
2.
2. So was this book, do you think it was too easy, just right for you, or too difficult?
Just right.
Just right? Yeah, I think so too. And it did sound interesting. Awesome job.
Remember that just right books support your child's ability to read independently, and the 5-finger rule is one strategy they can apply on their own to help them pick a just right book every time. Practice applying the 5-finger rule the next time your child is picking out a book to determine if it's appropriate for them. Happy reading!